What's up, you guys? My name is Iris and welcome to my channel. So if you happen to be new to my channel, no worries. On this channel you'll find loads of amazing art content because your girl is an artist, and you'll find motherhood content because I am a mom, and probably just random content from me just navigating this random life of mine. If that happens to resonate with you, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys through this DIY art project that is also budget friendly. So you guys probably don't know, but I am also on a healing journey, and I find that art really helps me heal. And I know there's tons of you all that is out there that is also on a healing journey, and if you know it can be hard, it can be daunting, it could be a very long process. So why not make healing fun and cute? Okay. So the project that I have today is called Affirmation Jars. I was really fortunate enough to be able to teach this lesson to, I want to say 8 to 10 teenagers this summer. They had so much fun. Their work came out amazing. They were just like so hands-on. They were immersed in it. They were just in their flow state. It was amazing. It was such a good time. So I thought, why not share it with you? Okay? Because you might need it too. And that's fine, and I'm here to help. So this is the one that I did in the class. It's so cute. It has the leaves, it has the flowers. We got some ladybugs on there. Now the reason why I chose affirmation jars is because, one, it is, again, affordable, it's simple, it's budget friendly, and also affirmations really help you rewire your brain, and it helps you like change your perspective on things. And I know through therapy that affirmations help change that inner voice to a more positive and reassuring tone so that it can just help you throughout your day and throughout your life, period. So now let's get into the materials that you need in order to make you an affirmation jar. So number one, you'll need a jar. Now you can use a glass jar. If you're doing this with kids and you want to use plastic, that is fine as well. I find the most affordable like jars or like containers in general at Dollar Tree. Obviously it's $1.25 now, so I don't know if you're gonna get any cheaper than that. If you do, let me know. So number two on our list, you're going to need paper or craft sticks. Now you guys, initially when I had this in my head, I wanted to use craft sticks. So I like the idea of writing the affirmations on the craft sticks so that you can just pull it out of your jar, read it, plop it back in there. However, at the time we didn't have enough, so I had to use paper. The paper is fine too. It's just if you use paper, remember to get a jar that has a wider top so that your hand can fit through it, because this one, I can't stick my hand in here, okay? If you want to use paper for your affirmations, find a jar that has a wider lid. So number two, paper or craft sticks. For this video, I'm gonna use craft sticks, okay? Number three, you're going to need paint. Now, what kind of paint do you need? Okay, so now if you're using a glass jar, which I will be using a glass jar, you're gonna need glass paint. So there's different budget-friendly options on Amazon that I've noticed, but I also bought some glass paint that I bought from Walmart for, I wanna say about $13, but it was a pack. So it was a pack, I wanna say about like 8 of them in the pack, or you can just buy them individually too. However, I will say it's probably cheaper to get a pack rather than just buying one individually. Now, you can use regular craft paint as well. However, if you want to cure your paint on your jar, you can't put that in the oven. Like, you can't heat that up. Go ahead, use that craft paint. That's cheap too, so if you know, you know. Obviously, after paint, you're going to need brushes. You can find cheap brushes at Dollar Tree as well. I did happen to find these on Amazon, or you go to, again, Dollar Tree or Walmart. They have different things as well for affordable pricing, okay? And last but not least, we need affirmations, guys. We need affirmations, and you need something to write your affirmations with. Now, you can use Sharpies, or you can use regular pencils. If you're writing on craft sticks, I would say use a black Sharpie or any colored Sharpie, it really doesn't matter, or just a marker in general, just because you can see it better and, you know, it's just a better experience in my opinion. So I found this affirmation list online. I will link that as well because the person that made this did such an amazing job. If you are picking affirmations from a list like this one, please pick the ones that really resonate with you. If you have affirmations in your head now that you want to say, whether it's like health affirmations, personal, money, you know, whatever type of affirmations that you know already, write them on your sticks, okay? And put them in your jars. So that wraps up all the materials that we need for this project specifically. If you guys need help finding inspiration for your jars or what to paint on them, go on Pinterest. You don't have to be like the super big artist to do this project neither, which is fun, but the inspiration is out there. Now we are ready to start our jar. So I decided to just basically add more leaves to the back of my jar, and just to give it a more completed look. And after that, I added my craft sticks in there. And yeah, this is basically how it came out. If you guys found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you can, tag me in your photos of your affirmation jars. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.